Guys, this is Huggy. Huggy Wuggy. So look at Huggy. So guys, Huggy can do this. If y'all want to see me or not. But yeah, Huggy can do this. And then his feet can sit. So like, Huggy is like a monster, like a killer monster. Not like a cartoon monster, like a killer monster. He play for the Poppy Playtime. Poppy Playtime. And we probably, I usually call Huggy Poppy, but not anymore. I don't know why. But yeah, this is Huggy, and he only killed player because you turn on the power. So he was really always nice, but when you turn on the power, he killed people. But yeah, so Lost for part 4, and that will be it. Okay, see y'all. Like, subscribe, Fortnite.